Hi there everybody, and hope everybody's doing well. On today's video I just have an update on the situation I had with my alarm siren here on my CLK w208, the 2002. So every time I locked the car, the alarm would go off, at which point I thought I had an issue with the battery, because it not always went off, but sometimes it went off when I was driving, and then it sort of became permanent. Every time I locked the car, it would go off. So anyway, I changed the battery in it, and that didn't fix the problem. So what I've done is I've got a second-hand one to give it a go, and I just temporarily installed it down here. So it's just hanging there because I need to fit it, but at the moment I'm having some other issue with this car. It's kind of leaking oil from the chain cover, so I need to deal with that. But since I received the alarm siren that I bought, I thought I'll give it a go, and I plugged that in, and now when I lock the car, it no longer goes off. It just stays as it should. So when I was referring to changing the battery, I was referring to the battery inside of here. So I changed the battery in this siren, the old one, but it seems like the old battery, when it leaked or whatever happened to it, it damaged the actual alarm. So which is why, even with the new battery, if I plug this in and lock the car, this goes off. So anyway, with the new one, well, second hand, as I mentioned, the alarm is not going off. So I just wanted to check. I already actually checked, but I just wanted to show you guys that that alarm is actually working. So one way of you can test it is if you come into the car and so lock the car. Okay, car is locked, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the door, so the alarm should go off technically. Hang on, it takes a little while actually to set, so we'll just wait a few seconds here. Some people also recommend you can actually move inside of the car, and then if you have the internal sensors, technically the alarm goes off. But I tried moving in here, but nothing really happened. Okay, my dash is gone off. I don't really know how long it would take, but let's try now. Okay, so you can hear the alarm going off and the lights are flashing, and now I press the unlock button and it goes off. Lock the door and lock the car, alarm doesn't go off. So ultimately this was faulty, and what I was gonna say is ultimately perhaps I should buy a brand new one. This has got a brand new battery in it. Maybe I could fit the brand new battery off of this one into the other alarm siren, because that siren that I bought is probably same age as this one. so it will be a matter of time until it actually breaks. However, I suppose I could wait until it breaks and then fork out for one of these. But these are expensive actually. These are about £150, I think, brand new. When I ask Mercedes, but I didn't want to buy one until I knew it was actually faulty. So Anyway, I certainly hope this video helps somebody if you're trying to tackle a similar situation. I'll put a link to my other video where I actually show you where the siren is on in this particular model and what the issue I had. I'll just put the link at the end of the video, and then and at the bottom as well. So having said that, I'm happy I finally sorted that out. I'm slowly sorting things out in this car. I just sorted, my roof is working now as well. So, but the next thing is I've got an oil leak in the front, and I need to sort that out, and that's gonna be maybe a winter job where I'm gonna freeze to death to try and get it sorted. But that's it for today. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.